The gentleman, Andrea from Ghana, was also arrested, and from the moment of the arrest, we have been trying to follow where they have been held in custody. We have so far failed. I informed the American ambassador yesterday, who has been very helpful, His Excellency Bob Godek, and this morning he called me and said that he had traced these particular individuals and confirmed that they were in the custody of the police and the immigration officials. And the intention is to deport them from Kenya. And therefore, it was not just this center that was targeted. It was an operation that the police were carrying out yesterday. And I dare say that this operation may have included the military elements. You know, we were talking about the military being involved in the elections. And now we can see how this is being carried out. This is why they were saying in those documents which have been accepted as valid by the Kenya Defense Forces that the recruitment of that particular elite force needed characters who were regime friendly, who were friendly to this particular government and who came from particular ethnic groups. And I am sure and certain that some elements of the people who came here were from that elite force, from the military. We have made this